Hello everyone, welcome to Wheel Wednesday. I'm super excited. You guys can't see it, but there is a pile of boxes beneath my desk that I need to clear out. So we are going to, of course, spin the wheel, and the wheel will pick what boxes we open, and we're going to clear some out. See what I got. We've got a good selection here too. Before we get started, I just want to take a moment and say hi and welcome if you are new here, or if you're not new, hi, how are you doing? I'm Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I feel like my voice is a little weird right now. Maybe I should take a sip of my bang. Remember when this was like a big deal, like everyone was getting sponsored? This is not sponsored. None of this is. I'll let you know if anything is PR or affiliate links or anything like that. But yeah, hi. I love subscription boxes. If you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. I also have my other channel, Kitty Outside the Box. I finally posted a vlog the other day, yesterday. I talked about my dating life, revealed that to you guys. But yeah, I am in my new place. I'm going to be posting more. I hope the background looks okay. I don't know. It's a little, I'm still kind of living out of some boxes here. Yeah, let's get started. So if you guys are new to this little series we do here on the channel, we use this app that's literally called Spin the Wheel, and I just put all the boxes in that I have, and we're just going to go for it. We press spin, and whatever it lands on, we open. 24 ink. I wasn't sure that was like really close to the next one, but 24 ink is a Teacher of the Month club, and I love it. The quality is really good, and this is so cute. Look at the bag. They always have the cutest bags. But when you subscribe to this, which I believe it is $16.99 a month, and of course everything that we open will be linked down below. I just did my nails. We're going to try really hard not to ruin them today. So, look, aren't they pretty? I got these forever on Ipsy, and like as an add-on, or maybe they're actually in an Ipsy bag. I don't know. But anyways, $16.99. You get a shirt every month, and they also have a quarterly option, so if you want to get it every season instead of monthly, you can do that too. And then you also get a little bonus item as well with the shirt, and they base the shirt on your profile, so you let them know your like interests and stuff like that. So sometimes we do get some different shirts, but other times we'll get the same because I've talked to you guys about it. So let me know if you got this, what you got. And I'm sorry if I'm really slow opening today. I don't want to ruin my nails. So here we go. Oh my god, even the tissue paper is super cute. I need to save that. I love it. And I believe I have a promo code to save either 10 or 15%. I should remember that by now, but save something. That'll be down below. Our theme this month is Cheetah, and I love this. They give fun facts. I actually played trivia last night, you guys. I was just sitting here, like, I just recorded my Ipsy video, which I posted yesterday, if you guys missed that. That's the most recent video, but I'll try and remember to link it down below, too. And my aunt texted me, and she's like, we're nearby, because she flew out this morning, so the airport's really close to me, and they're staying there overnight, and she went to a bar, and they happened to have trivia, and we used to be in a trivia league in Marco Island, and it's no longer a thing, because, you know, the world. But I went and we did pretty well. We didn't win the whole thing, but it was a lot of fun. And this reminds me of it because we got some facts. Fun facts about cheetahs. I'll just read one of them to you guys. But cheetahs are a threatened species. This magnificent animal is on the threshold of becoming endangered. That's so sad. They don't roar. I didn't think they did. Sorry, I had to read another one. Oh my god, our little extra item. So cute. I love it. It's a koozie. I've been drinking beers. Yeah, I've been having some fun, so I will put some use to that. It's so cute. I love the colors, too. I am pumped to see what the shirt's. Ooh, it's a v-neck. I like v-necks a lot. Oh my god, it's a cheetah rainbow. And it says, be happy. I love this. Oh my god. I think this is so cute. And I love gray. Gray is one of my favorites. It's so cute. And if anyone is curious, let's look at what this is made from. It's a blend. Rayon, polyester. Yeah, wait. What's Ilganut? I don't know. Am I reading this? Oh, okay. So it's a polyester, cotton, and rayon blend. I was reading the wrong language, but I think this is super cute. Love that we got a koozie. Let's move on and open the next box. Variety Fun snack subscription. I'm a little hungry, so this is dangerous. I hope we got some cookies. I'm running low. Let me get that. I think it's on the bottom here. So, Variety Fun. They have 2 different plans, and one is called the Fun Box, which is what we're opening today, and it is just full of 40 snacks. And they're basically, the Fun Box is all classic snacks, and then they have the Fit Box, which has more like healthy snacks. So, and the classic snacks are like classic throwbacks from like, at least for me growing up, that I haven't really had in a while until I started getting this box, and I love it. So this is perfect for those who have to pack lunches for themselves or kids, or maybe you work from home and you, like me, and you just want some snacks. You don't even have to have kids. It could be just for you, and you can pick the frequency. You can have it come actually twice a month or monthly. This looks really good. So I'm just going to show you all 40 of the snacks quick, soon, now. So we have Doritos, Nacho cheese. I actually have some of those in my pantry right now. We have some Ruffles, original. Ooh, Sun Chips. I like this kind of best. The Harvest Cheddar, yum. Popcorners, sea salt. Then we have Pop Chips and barbecue. Oh my god, I see cookies. I'm trying to just do the chips on top first. Pirates Booty, aged white cheddar. You guys have to let me know what your favorite snack is. Lay's barbecue. Cookies. Chips Ahoy, original. Ooh, we've got several of these. I actually really like these, so I'm glad. I feel like when I was a kid, I wasn't into these, but now as an adult, I'm like, hell yeah. We've got some Knott's Berry Farm premium cookies. We have one in strawberry, and then we have 2 raspberry ones here. So they're like shortbread cookies with a little bit of the fruit filling in the middle. Oh, there's more. So we have 2 raspberry and 2 strawberry. And then we have some fudge stripe cookies, the minis. And Animal Crackers Original, Keebler bite-sized cookies with mini M&Ms. Yeah, there's still so many to go. And we have Cheez-It White Cheddar, Cheez-It Original. I like both, but I think I like the white cheddar more. Oh, I love Grandma's cookies, especially like the full-size ones. These are good too, the mini sandwich cream cookies. I love like the soft, like what? Oh, I see some, like these packs. I'm too excited for food right now, you guys. This one's the peanut butter, but it comes with 2, like they're like softer cookies. We've got some iced animal crackers. This seems like more than 40 this time. Mini Chips Ahoy, a Nutrient bar and strawberry. And we have Pop-Tarts. What kind? I don't know, but we have full-size Pop-Tarts, and I am psyched. I don't remember last time I had Pop-Tarts. I had the Pop-Tart Bites within the past 2 years maybe, but we have some pretzels, some Planters peanuts. Looks like we have some trail mix by Cars, Detroit Born. Yeah, sweet and salty mix. Oh my god, it's like never-ending snack box. Some more animal crackers, some mini Oreos. Yeah, my hair a little crazy. I washed it today, and it seems like fuller or something. Snyder's mini pretzels. I swear this seems like more than 40, but I'm not going to sit here and cough on camera after I do them. We have 2 mixed fruits. I think it's just 40 is a lot of snacks again. Freaking awesome. 2 Rice Krispie treats. Oh, I tried these last time, I think, or like a recent time. There's these granola bars. This one is the they're from Sunbelt Bakery. This one's oats and honey chewy granola bar. And then we have their peanut butter chip. And then we have some chewy granola bars here. One is in s'mores and the other is in peanut butter chocolate chip. We have Nature Valley oats and honey crunch bar. And then the last 2 items, both are by Lance. This one is their peanut butter, or they're both the same. So we have 2 of these, like cheddar crackers with peanut butter on the inside. Like this reminds me of being a kid having these in my school lunch. But I am so excited. What am I going to eat first? I don't know. But I'm going to probably eat a cookie because I'm a cookie addict. But let's move on. Let's open another box. Goddess Provisions. Look, it's even purple like the subscription. This is one of, if not my favorite subscription box. This is a spiritual box. It's $33 a month. I love it. Every box sold, it plants a tree, and it has a theme each month, and it helps you like with your spiritual journey. You don't have to identify as anything specific. I love it so much. Like, I recommend this box. It makes me so happy, and I am so thrilled that this was picked as our last box for today. I'm thinking that yeah, it's already like 18 minutes into filming, that we're just gonna do 3. I always want to do 5, but then like, yeah, we're just gonna do 3. I can't remember what the theme is, but I am so stoked. Usually there is a little thing on the bottom that has information, like, and they always have art from super talented artists. They'll like give their Instagram handle or something. It looks like they have some zodiac signs on here, and it says we're all in this together. We are. And on the back it says divine details. So they'll talk about some things like, I already told you, they plant a tree for every box sold. Their box and this card were made using 100% recycled materials. Love that. The artist is at Meraki Labe. Yeah. Marakila Babe. I don't know. Here. If you want to pause that and zoom in. Sorry. I'm so sorry I mispronounced. But I love that. And the theme is cosmic inspiration, which makes sense because we have our zodiac signs there. I was just listening to a 2-hour podcast, the astrology podcast by Chris Brennan, I believe his name is. It was the September forecast. I love that kind of stuff. So let's start. The first thing, the packaging. Oh my God, cosmic cacao, rock cacao, shaga, ashwagandha, and maca. I actually have some maca powder I have to open still, but this is by the Gut Lab Elixir Powder. Look at this packaging. So this is supercharged wellness for the planet. And it talks about this is your favorite childhood drink with a cosmic twist. Ooh, nice. So chaga is a mushroom. And then we have adaptogenic ashwagandha root. So it's like a chocolate milk, but with better, healthier for you ingredients. I love that. And then a wall tapestry. This is actually by Goddess Provisions. It's their moon phases and constellation one. Oh, I didn't hang it yet, but in my last place, I still have it, but it has the moon phases for 2021, and I love it, and I can't wait to see what this is. Ah, I love it. Oh my God, sorry, I'm like squealing like the weirdo, but that's what I do when I'm excited. I love this. So it has the moon phases on here, but the other one I was talking about that I got the subscription, like, just talks, it shows like the calendar, like the new moon, you know, it was just on September 6th. It'll say that, and the full moons and everything, and you can see the constellations on here too. I love this so much. I'm so happy. I'm so happy this was picked. I like all the boxes I get, but like, this makes me so excited. Now we have a spray here or a pump. What is this? Cosmic Body, Vital Smile. What? 4-in-1 tooth and gum elixir. Oh my God. I was just thinking about how I need to do something about my teeth. Like, they're like overall good teeth. You know, I got braces on, whatever. But they can be a little whiter. So what does this do? 4-in-1. It removes impurities, improves breath, strengthens teeth and gums, and boosts oral health. Oh, it's for oil pulling. I did that for a little bit with coconut oil. I am super interested in looking into this. You can use it as a toothpaste alternative or for oil pull. So oil pulling, like your gums and stuff, there's like a lot of impurities there, I guess. I don't know enough about it to really talk about it, but apparently there's really good health benefits, so I'm really excited to look into that more again, because it's been a while, like years. I think it was in Iowa when I did that last. Here's a beautiful bookmark. I love this type of stuff. The colors are always so pretty with zodiac or like astrological things, like purple and blue and gold. And every month we get a stone. This looks like it's a tiger's eye, maybe? Maybe not. Let's see what it says on here. A blue tiger's eye. I thought something looked different, but kind of right. Blue tiger's eye. Let's meditate with this. It's calming energy. I don't know. I'll have to look into what's different about it, but to see is it like reflective property as a normal tiger eye. Let's see. But yeah, there is a little bit of blue to it, isn't there? Hopefully you could see. Okay, and then we have 2 things left. What is this? I like it. Remember what it is? It looks like it's like oh, it's a little journal? Is it? this journal belongs to. Yay! And on each of the pages, like, it has the little bullets. So you can do bullet journaling or whatever. It has the astrological signs and stuff on the top. I journal every single day. Well, I try to. Most days. At least when I'm, like, spending time alone, like, I start my day with, like, journaling my gratitude and then, like, my to-do list and all this stuff. So I have them right here and I'm almost done. Like, I love getting new journals, especially when they're so cute. And this one's perfect, like, little size. You can, like, put it in your bag. Yay! We got some of these last time. This is 12 Oracle cards. Look at it. This is like, I'm probably annoying someone right now, but I don't care. I am happy camper. God's Provisions, Collector's Edition 2021. Build your own deck. There's 12 cards in here. It's Series 1. I got a few cards, and they were beautiful. Damn. I can't wait to be fully unpacked. I actually see my box of my favorite things. I have 3 boxes over there, but one's, like, super huge, and it's a FabFitFun fall box, but I put all my crystals in there, all my, like, spiritual stuff, so I knew where it would be, and I haven't unpacked it because I need to find the perfect spot for it. You know, I don't want to, like, open it up and have a mess of where it's going to be. I want it to be special, like a little ceremony. Oh my god, these are 12 for the zodiac signs. Yes. Oh yeah, first of all, this is how the other ones look that I have. Beautiful. But then we have on the other side, it'll say Aries, and it has or it'll go through all the signs. Aries is the first sign. Adventurous, confident, and divine. Or driven, I mean, it can be done. Next up is me, Taurus. Patient, caring, and calm. I mean, sometimes I'm not calm. I'm a Sagittarius rising. I'm a Capricorn moon. I've got a decent amount of Capricorn in me. It's interesting. Gemini. Cancer. These are all so pretty. And the colors, like, they did a really good job, like, matching them all up, my understanding. Sagittarius, if you guys are curious. Spontaneous, energetic, and intellectual. And then where's my Capricorn? Determined, ambitious, and integrity. I feel like I'm a solid mix. Those are the, like, maybe 3. I know I've asked you guys what your sun sign is before, but if you guys are into astrology, I would love to know more about your chart. I've been, like, wanting to have, like, a little group get-together thing, like, online, obviously, like Zoom or Skype, and we can, like, talk about astrology and stuff. If anyone wants to do that, I'm down, because I love learning about my birth chart. I still have so much to learn, and I'm sure there's someone else out there who wants to chat with me. If you do, can we hang out online? Please, please, please. Or in person, that'd be cool, but I'm assuming, you know, most of you aren't nearby. I am in Southwest Florida, and I know social distancing and all that. So let's schedule something if you want to. But anyway, you guys, this just uplifted my mood so much. I love snacks. I love astrology. I love spirituality. I love t-shirts. I love this all. I love Cheetahs. I love subscription boxes, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here and making this all possible. I appreciate you guys so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you every single day. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and let me know how you're doing. I hope you're well, and I will see you guys super soon. Bye.